quick tip, cutting 2x4 runners. I take a screw and put a screw right above the clip on my line, and another screw right there. I can come inside and mark my boards like this. Keeps me from being on the ground and laying all my 2x4s in the mud. Then I turn the 2x4 like that and put it on the bench, and then I cut it, and all the pieces land in the wheelbarrow so I don't have to pick them up off of the ground. I just bring my drill with me and leave it on this side, set my screw, get my cuts, put my scraps in there, and move to the next bay. Just move the wheelbarrow forward in the sawhorse and leave the drill on there, and just take that screw and put it one bay over. Pretty easy process. Figured I would share that with you in case you're out there running around on the ground and a bunch of muddy 2x4s. It's a good way to keep them clean, not have to pick up your mess off of the ground.